Hello everyone, I am Sai Jitna. Welcome back to my channel Sai Decoring. Today's I'll try to do the extreme ultra stabilization test in the IQ 7 device, friends. So which I'm trying to use right now in this video, as you can see. So this is a direct raw footage which I'll be uploading directly in the YouTube without any kind of editing. Yes, so without any editing I'll try to upload in my channel, which is the Sai Decoring, as you can see, friends. So make sure to hit the subscribe and so try to help me to reach the 1 lakh subscribers very soon, friends. As you can see right now we are very close to the 1 lakh subscribers, and these are ultra stabilization mode which I am trying to use right now in the IQ 7 device. As you can see right now I'm trying to walk as well. So this just I'm trying to use my hand to hold, not any kind of tripod at all. So this is a normal hand only, as you can see, friends. I'm trying to walk really fast as well, but ultra stabilization mode is really good in this IQ 7 device. This is what I particularly like in this phone, so which feels really great in terms of recording the videos without any kind of interruption, as you can see, friends. So there is a video recording which I'm trying to do even after update. So just yesterday I did receive the software update in this phone, and there are a couple of things which has been already changed. So I'm trying to focus. So make sure to comment below what are your thoughts about this kind of video recording and stability. Are you happy with the stability or not? But overall for me it looks really great, friends, when I compare with the Realme X1 Max or other phones. So stabilization is really good. This is one of the strongest point I do believe for the IQ 7 device in terms of stabilization while recording the video. Let me try to zoom in. I think you cannot zoom when you're trying to record in this kind of in this ultra stabilization mode. That is what the message I did get right now when I'm trying to zoom it. So when I'm trying to zoom it, I'm getting the message that please disable the video super anti shake first, so then I can actually zoom it first. I think this some kind of mechanism is there to make this kind of ultra stabilization happen, as you can see right now. I'm trying to walk a little bit faster as well right now, but still there is no change at all in terms of the stabilization. It works perfectly all right. As you can see, friends, I am trying to walk, and right now I am trying to hold the phone in my hand. So there is no tripod, nothing. There is no gimbal at all. So only my hand I am trying to use right now. As you can see, it's perfectly fine. So make sure to comment below what are your thoughts, and thank you for watching this video, friends. And don't forget to hit that subscribe and stay tuned by always following my channel every day. So every day I'll try to post new and new videos on this IQ 7 device. So make sure to hit the subscribe and help me to reach the 1 lakh subscribers, friends, very soon as possible. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.